All right, this is an unboxing of the Leica D-Lux7 that I just bought. It's a silver anodized version of this right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. As you can see, it shows the version right here. Pretty excited about this. A lot of ways to open it. Let's see how do I open this thing? Yeah, so it opens up at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna raise this up, pull back the flap. Here's some paperwork for reading material. Save that for the restroom later. A lot of reading material. I'm guessing those are pamphlets in different languages. Not quite sure. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Pretty fancy packaging for the Lux7. So what's here? I have some cables. Not exactly. I think this is for the. This will be for the neck strap right here. I'm just gonna open it up, take a look at it really quick. Yeah, I believe this is for the neck strap. Put that to the side down there. Here's the actual neck strap right here. Pretty cool. Place that to the side. What other goodies are inside of the box? I have a plug. This is for European plugs right here. Pretty cool. Exactly. So for European USB plug. And this should be the battery. Go ahead and open it out. Battery that comes into it. Nice small Leica battery. Some more goodies, and we're gonna get to the camera. So this is an American plug right here for plugging it in, and it comes with a USB attachment so you can power it up. Look, there are the cables right there. And then there's some sort of pouch. I'm not exactly sure what's in the pouch. Looks like it's a flash that you can mount on top of the camera for flashes. Pretty cool. Set to the side. I don't know if I'm going to be using that much, but it's good to have. Has a nice pouch to go into. Keep for safe keepings. And last but not least, I'm going to pull out the camera. There's nothing left else in the box except for the camera. Comes in some sort of mesh bag. Look at that. Pulling it out, here is the camera. This is the Deluxe. As you can see right here, it says Lux7. Here's the lens right here. Comes with the lens cap on here. It says Leica, pretty fancy. Lens cap, the lens. Right there, it says 1:1. All right, pretty nice. All right, changed. I think that's the aperture. I'll get into that later. It's pretty nice. This right here, you can adjust I believe that is the shutter. All right, zoom out. Pretty nice. 4K video, power button. All right, so here's the camera right there. There's some buttons on the back for the menu, ISO. Power button, record button, EVF, PF, auto exposure, autofocus. Nice grip on the hand, put up to the viewfinder, little screen. And this right here is where the strap goes in for the neck strap. All right. So let me know if you have any questions. That was the unboxing of this camera. Give a couple looks at it. Fairly simplistic looking. Check the description part of the page. I'll leave some links for more information about this camera. Here it is. That is the Leica D-Lux7. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.